At ZAPTEST, we are excited to present a unique, flexible approach to adopting our comprehensive software automation solution. Introducing the 6-month opt-out offer. Understanding the diverse needs of our customers and partners, we have tailored an offering that combines flexibility with unmatched value. What's in the offer? Upon subscription, gain full access to ZAPTEST and start leveraging its powerful features from day one. To ensure you make the most of your ZAPTEST experience, we provide a full-time, dedicated ZAP expert. Your ZAP expert will be committed to assisting you with every aspect of ZAPTEST, ensuring seamless integration and effective utilization within your automation process. Your ZAP expert will perform daily automation on your behalf and do product enablement for your personnel. ZAPTEST is not just a tool, it's a comprehensive solution designed to optimize your software automation strategy. Our platform is renowned for cutting-edge automation technology, task-agnostic automation, and a seamless process for DevOps and BizOps. We believe in the strength and versatility of our product and are excited to offer this unique subscription model. This approach reflects our commitment to providing flexible, customer-centric solutions. If you find that ZAPTEST does not align with your specific requirements, you have the ability to opt out of your subscription at any point within the first 6 months. And if you do, you can do so without any further obligation. If you choose to continue with ZAPTEST after this period, you will be billed at a discounted rate for your annual subscription, offering significant savings. For more details on this offer or any queries you might have, please reach out to us to discuss the next step.